Number 1. 1983 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, $3,000, Boise, Idaho. This 1983 Camaro Z28 has been transformed into a raw street machine, now powered by a cammed 350 small block V8 paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission and Hurst shifter. It is described as running very strong, with an aggressive exhaust note, but currently suffers from a flex plate issue that prevents reliable starting, meaning it will likely need to be trailered. The gutted interior and track-style setup give it a stripped-down, performance-focused character. This is not a refined classic, but rather a budget-friendly project for someone wanting a loud, high-energy, third-generation Camaro build. Number 2. 1976 Ford Elite, $4,700, Redding, California. This 1976 Ford Elite represents the personal luxury coupe era, equipped with a 351 V8 and automatic transmission. With 83,000 original miles, it has been maintained and upgraded with items such as new suspension components, dual exhaust, and modern wheels. The body is straight with only minor rust, though the removed vinyl top has left some cosmetic imperfections. These cars are often overlooked, but they offer a smooth ride and distinctive styling, making this a solid driver with mild customization already completed. Number 3. 1966 Plymouth Fury, $16,000, Canon City, Colorado. A very clean and well-documented example. This 1966 Plymouth Fury stands out with just 35,000 miles and a rust-free Colorado body. Powered by a small V8 with automatic transmission, it runs and shifts well. The inclusion of original documentation such as the window sticker and build sheet adds significant collector appeal. With excellent chrome, interior, and overall presentation, this car represents a highly preserved full-size Mopar that can be enjoyed as is or taken to the next level. Number 4. 1987 Nissan 200SX, $7,000, Portland, Oregon. This 1987 Nissan 200SX has been modified with a clear focus on track performance, including a welded differential, aftermarket coilovers, and aggressive suspension geometry. While it remains a fun driver, cosmetic issues and a partially stripped interior reflect its project status. The manual transmission and rear-wheel drive layout make it appealing for enthusiasts interested in drifting or track builds. It is not a stock collectible, but rather a platform for continued performance development. Number 5. 1977 Chrysler Cordoba, $18,000, Harrisburg, Illinois. With only 13,000 original miles, this 1977 Chrysler Cordoba is an exceptionally preserved example of late 1970s luxury. Powered by a 400 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission, it retains nearly all of its original paint and interior. Updates such as electronic ignition and modern air conditioning refrigerant improve reliability without compromising originality. This is a true time capsule that reflects Chrysler's focus on comfort and style during the era, making it highly desirable for collectors. Number 6. 1977 Dodge Aspen Special Edition, $9,950, northwest of Madison, Wisconsin. This Dodge Aspen Special Edition is a clean, largely original car featuring a 318 cubic inch V8 with an Edelbrock intake and 4-barrel carburetor. With just 35,700 miles, it runs and drives very well and includes desirable features like air conditioning, cruise control, and power steering. The Aspen is not commonly seen in such preserved condition, making this a unique and practical classic that can be driven regularly. Number 7, 1970 Lincoln Continental Mark III, $18,950, Orange, California. This 1970 Lincoln Mark III is a standout luxury coupe with only 52,000 original miles and a recent mechanical restoration. Powered by the massive 460 cubic inch V8, it delivers the smooth, effortless performance expected from Lincoln's flagship models. The new Italian leather interior and functioning air conditioning enhance comfort, while the largely original paint maintains authenticity. These cars are known for their refined ride quality, and this example appears to be an excellent collector-grade cruiser. Number 8, 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe 289 V8, 19,500, Riverside, California. This 1965 Ford Mustang has been tastefully upgraded with a rebuilt 289 V8 and a 5-speed manual transmission, significantly improving drivability over the original setup. Additional features like power steering, power brakes, and dual exhaust make it a comfortable and engaging driver. With solid floors, no rust, and strong presentation inside and out, it represents a well-balanced Ristamod that retains classic Mustang charm while benefiting from modern enhancements. Number 9, 1961 Ford Falcon, $19,999, Northridge, California. This 1961 Ford Falcon is presented in excellent cosmetic condition with striking paint and bright trim. Powered by a 6-cylinder engine and automatic transmission, it runs well but will need brake work to be fully road-ready. The Falcon was designed as a compact, economical car, and its simplicity makes it easy to maintain. This example stands out for its appearance and could be an enjoyable light restoration or cruiser once mechanical needs are addressed. Number 10, 1976 Datsun 180B P610 to $5,000, Tucson, Arizona. This 1976 Datsun 180B is a classic Japanese sedan powered by a 2-liter engine and manual transmission. Known for reliability and lightweight design, these cars are increasingly appreciated by enthusiasts. With the engine running great and a clean title, it offers a solid foundation for a vintage import project or daily classic. Its simplicity and growing rarity make it an appealing alternative to more common American classics.